Still washing your car with dish soap? In this video, you're about to see how much shine, protection, and slickness you've actually been missing. Stay tuned, because the car soap you're using right now is probably not even in today's top 7. Today we're counting down the 7 best soaps for washing your car, from solid budget-friendly options all the way to the premium, ultra-foamy shampoos that serious detailers swear by. Stick around to the end. 7. Armor All Ultra Shine. This is a classic all-in-one option that a lot of people grab as their first proper car soap. This one is built around a proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax. So right away, you get a sense of what it's trying to do: clean, shine, and protect in a single step. On paint that hasn't been washed in a while, it does a surprisingly good job lifting everyday dirt, traffic film, and dust off the surface without feeling harsh or chalky. The pH-neutral formula means it's safe on modern clear coats, and it's versatile enough to use in a traditional bucket wash or poured into a foam cannon for a thicker, more dramatic lather. On the surface, the big selling point here is shine. Ultra Shine really leans into that mirror-like look. Thanks to the carnauba content and lubricants, water starts to bead nicely as soon as you rinse it off, and the paint tends to look a bit deeper and wetter compared to cheaper, no-name soaps. If your car has dull, flat paint, you'll notice a nice bump in gloss, especially on darker colors where that beading and depth really stand out under sunlight. It's the kind of product that makes a daily driver look freshly washed and slightly waxed without you having to pull out a separate bottle of wax afterward. However, using it back-to-back with more premium soaps exposes a few weak spots. Number 6. 3D Pink Car Soap. The 3D Pink Car Soap, also known as the original cherry-scented pink car wash. This is a hyper-concentrated, pH-balanced, biodegradable liquid soap that can work in a bucket wash, foam gun, or foam cannon. Right away, you notice just how foamy it gets when mixed correctly. The suds are dense, clingy, and they create a very lubricated layer between your mitt and the paint. The pleasant cherry scent is a bonus. It makes the washing process a bit more enjoyable compared with the more chemical-smelling products. Functionally, this soap is designed to clean without stripping existing waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. It safely removes dirt, debris, and traffic film, but the chemistry is tuned so that it won't attack or degrade your existing protection. That's ideal if you've invested in a high-quality coating or spent time layering sealants and waxes and just want a maintenance wash to gently cleanse the surface. On top of that, 3D Pink is free rinsing and marketed as zero residue, meaning that when you rinse it off, you're not left with gloss-enhancing fillers or oily films, just a genuinely clean surface. Where this soap really shines is lubrication and safety. The foaming action creates billions of tiny bubbles that help lift and suspend dirt away from the paint, reducing the chance of grinding contaminants into the clear coat. Paired with a good wash mitt and proper technique, it does a nice job minimizing wash-induced swirls. 5. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. The Meguiar is a product that has been a staple in the detailing world for years. This soap is known for its rich, luxurious formula that both cleans and conditions the paint in a single step. When poured into a bucket or foam cannon, it produces a thick, creamy foam that clings to the panels and gives you plenty of working time before it starts to slide off. That rich suds action is the first sign that you're dealing with something more upscale compared with basic grocery store soaps. Gold Class uses a blend of advanced cleaning agents that are strong enough to tackle road grime, dirt, and contaminants, but gentle enough not to compromise your existing wax protection. The pH-balanced, biodegradable formula is safe for all paint types and clear coats, and it's designed specifically to avoid stripping wax. On a well-maintained car, you can feel the difference in lubrication. Your wash mitt glides smoothly, and you're less likely to feel that grabby, draggy sensation that tells you the surface is dry or contaminated. One of the standout characteristics of Gold Class is the way it leaves the paint looking after the rinse. The conditioner aspect isn't marketing fluff. The ultra-rich paint conditioners help clear away residue and reveal more color and clarity in the finish. After drying, the car often looks like it's had a quick detailer applied, even if you haven't done anything beyond the wash. Number 4. Turtle Wax 54320. Turtle Wax, often referenced under product codes like 54320. This soap is part of Turtle Wax's more advanced hybrid solutions line, and it's designed to do more than just clean. One of the big advantages here is that it functions as both a dedicated car wash soap and a clay bar lubricant, which makes it a fantastic choice if you like to decontaminate your paint without constantly switching products. The slickness of the formula helps a clay bar or synthetic clay mitt glide easily across the surface, reducing the risk of marring while you pull bonded contaminants out of the clear coat. In a straight wash, Pure Wash offers excellent cleaning power with a refined feel. The suds are dense and long-lasting, whether you're using a foam cannon or a traditional 2-bucket method, and the surfactants are tuned to lift road film, grime, and traffic fallout without feeling harsh. You get that satisfying sheeting of dirt as the foam runs off the panels, and the paint feels noticeably smoother under your wash mitt compared with more basic formulas. What makes this soap stand out in the mid-pack is how it supports the overall finish. While it's not marketed as a heavy wash and wax product, it is part of the Hybrid Solutions family, so it's designed to be compatible with modern sealants and SiO2-based coatings. The wash leaves the paint looking clean, crisp, and ready to accept additional layers of protection, and when used regularly along with other Hybrid Solutions products, it helps maintain that sharp, glossy look Turtle Wax is known for in this line. 3. Adams Mega Foam. This is a car shampoo that's all about maximum suds and ultra-slick lubrication. This product is one of Adams' most concentrated shampoos ever, designed specifically for foam cannons and foam guns, although it also works very well in a traditional bucket wash. The second it hits pressurized water, you see why it's called Mega Foam. It blankets the vehicle in a thick, pillowy layer of foam that clings to vertical surfaces and gives dirt plenty of time to loosen. Mega Foam is pH neutral, so it's safe on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings, and it won't degrade existing protection when used as directed. The formula uses a blend of lubricants, surfactants, and high foaming agents to create that super slick barrier between your wash pad and the paint. When you drag your mitt across a panel covered in Mega Foam, it feels like it's floating. That cushioned glide is exactly what you want when you're trying to minimize the chance of wash-induced swirls and micro scratches on darker or softer paints. Another strong point is how well it manages water spots and sun exposure. Mega Foam's formulation helps avoid water spots or sunspots better than many basic shampoos, which is a lifesaver if you're washing outside and can't always control shade or temperature. The foam traps dirt and prevents it from being dragged from one area to another, especially from dirtier surfaces like wheels to more sensitive painted panels. That means less chance of picking up abrasive particles and dragging them across your clear coat. 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. This is arguably one of the best maintenance wash products on the market if you want to clean and boost protection at the same time. This soap combines clear coat safe surfactants with a hybrid blend of premium carnauba wax and synthetic polymers. The result is a shampoo that not only lifts dirt and grime safely, but also leaves behind a noticeable layer of gloss and protection every time you wash. From the moment you mix it, Ultimate Wash and Wax delivers rich, thick suds that cling well to the paint and provide strong lubrication. It feels a notch slicker than most typical wash and wax products, which is important when you're trying to keep the finish swirl-free between major details. The surfactants gently break down road film, dust, and contaminants, while the wax and polymers start bonding lightly to the surface as you work. On rinse-off, you can literally see the water behavior change. Beads become tighter, and the surface tends to sheet water more cleanly. Where this product really wins is in the after-wash appearance. The hybrid carnauba polymer blend leaves a just waxed shine that's surprisingly strong for something you've only applied with a wash mitt. colors look deeper, metallic flake pops more under light, and the paint has a slick, glossy feel when you run a clean microfiber over it. Used regularly, it noticeably helps maintain and even boost your existing wax or sealant between full protection applications. Number 1. Chemical Guys CWS 110, Mr. Pink. The Chemical Guys, better known as Mr. Pink, a pH-balanced, high suds shampoo that has become a go-to for both weekend warriors and pros. This soap is all about delivering thick, foamy bubbles and ultra-slick lubrication while remaining gentle on all exterior surfaces. It's safe on paint, clear coats, polished metals, glass, vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim, which means you can wash confidently without worrying about staining or drying out sensitive materials. One of the first things you notice with Mr. Pink is just how easily it whips up an endless foam party, whether you use a foam cannon or a simple bucket with strong water pressure. The suds are dense and clingy, coating the car in billions of tiny bubbles that start breaking down dirt and grime on contact. That layer of foam isn't just for show. It acts as a lubricant cushion that keeps abrasive particles suspended away from the paint, giving your mitt or wash pad an incredibly smooth glide across the surface. This focus on lubrication and safety is backed up by the formula's use of super slick polymers and hypersurfactants. These ingredients actively lift and capture abrasive debris so that as you wash, you're not dragging grit across the clear coat. That's a big deal if you care about minimizing swirls and micro scratches, especially on black or dark-colored cars where every mark shows. Used weekly, Mr. Pink helps keep the finish looking crisp and swirl-free far longer than harsher, cheap soaps ever could. Final thought. That's all for today.